Okay, Tricia, I did just what you asked. I took a 2-liter soda bottle, I cut the bottom off, I threw away the cap, and I guess I've created a garden funnel for you.
You have, and we're going to invert it over this pesky weed.
Okay, I've got a lot of weeds just like that in my yard.
Well, don't we all? Well, you know, the important thing when you're trying to kill weeds is to contain whatever you're putting on them.
Okay.
In this instance, I'm going to cover this weed, most of it, and I'm spraying a vinegar solution.
Okay, how does vinegar take care of it?
Well, vinegar, once the sun acts on it, it is an acid, and so it will begin to burn the weed away. It will take a little bit longer than maybe some of the other pesticides or herbicides.
Okay, but still, you're containing it like this is a good idea if you were using a regular weed killer.
Absolutely, yeah. Any kind of weed killer, you definitely want to keep it off of the healthy plants. Here we've got these beautiful impatiens, and it would be such a shame to have some of that spray go over them.
Now, what about larger areas? Because I have a lot more weeds in my yard than that.
Oh, don't we all? I would suggest that either you use a larger juice bottle, I do that sometimes, and then if you have a really big area, you can use something like a cardboard box, and then you would just spray within that cardboard box. Now, the really important thing is when you remove any of these containers that you don't brush up against the healthy plants and have some of that weed killer get on it.
I see. Well, that's a great tip.